What's good, gang? Gangster. I'm a gangster, yes I know. I'm totally not a loser who just does YouTube for fun. Yeah, me. Yeah, it's me running plays here. Today we're gonna be playing Inside My Head part 1. It's like yeah, FNAF fan game, a sister location fan game with FUNTIME Chica and FUNTIME Body on my days. This looks really good. Let's get right into this. Is my my mic working? It is working. You can see right there it is working. You see how the audio is going to from green to yellow, and yeah. Let's go. Frick. I can't go. Oh, there we go. Oh, this looks amazing on my day. So sci-fi. Let's go. Let's get back on our grind and do YouTube. Make FNAF videos because it's free. Oh, we're in the elevator right now. Oh my days. Sister location vibes right here. My days. It's an elevator. Oh my days. I didn't think it was an. Alright. Alright, so we're in like a sci-fi looking elevator. This doesn't look like the sister location elevator to me, so we're at 9, 10. Are we at floor 10? The frick? Oh my days, we're going. Oh, what's happening? Oh no, we're dead. Oh, we dead? Is this the afterlife? Oh no. Oh my days, if this is what hell looks like, I'm gonna kill myself. Wait, am I able to kill myself in hell? What do I do? Hey, what kind of dog is scratching on my elevator right now? Get the frick out of here before I bring out the spray bottle, you damn nerd. Yeah. Who's whispering in my ear right now? Whoever is whispering in my ear right now, I'm gonna make sure to like, oh, son of a bitch. It's good FUNTIME Chica. Oh, you're looking real, oh no, just good today. Look pretty today. Regret doing this? Going down here? What did I do? 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 You can't get into the elevator, just give up. I'm too strong for you. You damn nerd. Yes. Stop trying to get in. There's no point. Honestly, no point at all. Like, what you're doing is completely pointless right now, and it's not gonna just do anything. It's like you're not. Stop trying to get in, just give up already. Oh. Oh! Are we back again? Ah! You know what, we're putting on the armor cap for this. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, and get some better lighting on. Okay, there we go. Now this is better. Beam? Oh, what would G right now? Oh, this FUNTIME Chica on my days. Definitely the thumbnail bang. Oh. Okay, the danger level is completely low right now, and there's no need to worry. Oh my days, what is this? Where am I right now? It looks like I'm in a house in a cupcake, bro. If you don't get the frick out of here, if you stop, I got his eyes closed, or are they black? My days, it's black, bro. The cupcake's eyes are black. My days. If it doesn't stop staring at me like that, bro, I'm getting EDP here to eat you, bro. I bet. Let's finish this. What do I do? Oh shit. Okay, wait, so Z is to zap. I bet our task is to unclog the toilets. Wait, so unclog the toilets. Oh no, our danger level is like increasing right now. I don't like that. Now how do I unclog the toilets? Bravo. Motion D. Alright, stop staring. That's not nice. Stop staring at me like that. Do not stare at me like that. If you continue to, whoa. That mouth, bro. It's done for you. Done for. Okay, let's get to my tasks. Actually, oh shit. Oh no. I don't know what to do. Hey, Malaka. That's getting too hard right now. Okay. How do I do my tasks? No, legit, I wanna know how to do my tasks. How do I do it? Bro, how do I do my tasks? It's not letting me do my task. Get out of here, bro. Get the freak out of here, you dumb motherfucker. Yeah, that's right. Your feelings better get hurt. What do I do? What was that noise? Yeah, I'm scared, man. A sound trigger. Task. Basic house is clean. Bro, what do I do? Honestly, just what do I do? Just what do I do? What did I do? What do I do? What did I do? What did I do? I need to know what to do. Like, I already know what to do, but it's not letting me do anything. Oh. Get out. I'm not gonna die like that so easily, bro. Hurry up and load. There we go. Malaka, Malaka, Malaka. That's right. You better not mess with me like that, bro. I'm not like that, bro. Okay, just stay like that. FUNTIME CHICA. If you dare move, shit, I'm gonna have to bring out the taser and the pepper spray, bro. Okay, deep clean living plus dining room and clean fridge. Blocker. Just stay still. Just stay put. Please, just do that for me. Ugly ass like endo, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, load, you Malaka nigga. Okay. Hey, yes, go down, danger level. Malaka. Hey, stay still. Come on, quickly. Oh my days, this thing is taking its time, bro. Honestly, take more time, please. Oh, there we go. Okay, just wait for a little while. This house looks really nice. Man, Cupcake. Hey, here's what I got for you. What you gonna do now, Cupcake? Yeah, I got my flashlight on you. What you gonna do now? Huh? Quick. And wait for it to go down. Hurry. Damn, I love FNAF games. They're free. And yes. I can put use to my PC. Cause like when I first got my PC, I just played Dark Deception on it. But after a while it got boring. Games got boring. Like honestly, bro. Well, this FNAF games is free. I can play them on my YouTube channel. And yes. I can finally put use to my PC, bro. That's called gaming PC for a reason. Malaka. Come on, quickly. Come on, sort, file, and toss them out. Quick. Hey. Quickly. Stay right there. Hey, wait for it to go down. There we go. Quickly. Just like 3 more tasks to do. Damn Cupcake. Square shaped mouth looking ass boy. Hey, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna quickly go in here. Go quick! Just one more to do, bro. Just. Hey, I gotta play the sound right. Play the sound. There you go. Tasks. Yes. Finish. Finish. Malaka. There we go. What we did. We did it. That's how you know we're so good at it. Like, honestly. This is how you know that I'm the new king of FNAF. Markiplier isn't okay, isn't I am the new king. Continue tonight too? Oh, bet. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit, we're in a technical. Ooh. Oh, Freddy, Bonnie. Oh, OG. Okay, bet. Let's go. We're in Parton. Oh, Malaka. Locate and press FUNTIME CHICA's right cheek. No, here, no. Fucking nigger. Lower teeth? What does that mean? Lower teeth. Wait, why am I looking back? Oh. Oh. Press the red button behind the back to activate her. Oh, we're activating her now. Oh, hello, hello. Oh. Hello. Whoa, oh, she's gone. She's gone. What do I do? She's gone. Wait, if you see any abnormal activities from FUNTIME Chica, press Z to in order to zap her. Alright, are we doing a salvage now? Sounds like it. Come on, quick. Oh, second night. Come on. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh, okay, we're doing our tasks now. Jeez. Wait, what was behind? Why are we doing that? Go, 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 best friend. Okay, if we see something unusual, I bet. I'm just gonna do just that, bro. Zap the bastard, there we go. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's right. Go to sleep. Go right back to bed. Quay quap your beefy on Genki Shiny One. What's behind me? Hey, that cupcake though, it's kind of tweaking right now. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Come on. You think you're the king? I'm the king. Okay, so I go down to 1 again. Quick! Hey, why do I have to look back though? Do not tell me that we're gonna have to look for the cupcake, bro. Damn the cupcake. I hate cupcakes. I was press Z by press S. You know, since Z and S are so close together. There you go. Hey, zap that shit, bro. Okay, just wait for it to go down again. And then our final task, basic house is clean. Damn, bro. It like does stuff like from your your monitor. It's crazy. You just press the button on your monitor and it's clean. Wow, it's crazy. It's crazy, bro. We live in Gen Z, bro. That's for you. That's like Gen Z for you, bro. Quaker, pure beef chung. Yankee. Come on, quick. Oh my god, it's taking its time, bro. There we go, finished. Yes, we did it. We did it. Night 2. Let's go. What you got it? Hey. Let's do night 3 now. We're gonna do, we might complete this game. Yeah, I wonder what we're gonna have to do, fun time bunny, you know. Oh my days. We're gonna have to do fun time bunny now. Use sound lowering system in order to keep fun time bunny away. Wait a minute. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna like end part 1 here, you know, you feel me? And then next we're gonna do part 2 with fun time bunny. Yes, on the same day, double upload today. Wouldn't that be nice? Goodbye. I'm gonna record part 2 right after I upload this.